Oh, hey there. I'm Noah. Hold on for 1 sec. I just need to finish my order. I can choose the garment type, the size, the print. Basically, design whatever I want. And done. The order is in, and it will be ready within minutes. Want to see how we do it? Follow me.
I'm super excited to introduce you to Kornit EcoFactory, the smart, sustainable microfactory for on-demand production, allowing you to automate and monitor the entire production process of one or several orders, and to produce locally. What's the secret? The powerful combination of Kornit's direct-to-fabric system and Kornit X, our advanced workflow management platform. Once an order is submitted, it's sent directly to the EcoFactory's streamlined production floor. The operator, hi Hen, can access the order through a barcode, a unique ID containing all of the order's information. All Hen needs to do is to open the job sheet, adjust the print settings, load the fabric, and press start. The next step is my favorite. Meet the Kornit Presto Max, our single-step solution that gives complete ownership over on-demand direct-to-fabric production. The graphics are ready. Let's print. Design and print anything without compromising on quality, hand feel, or the fabric type. White on colored fabrics, neon colors, 3D premium applications. Just imagine what you can do with it. Oh, and in comparison to rotary screen solutions, the Presto Max saves up to 95% water and energy and reduces CO2 emissions by 83%. It is the most sustainable solution in the market. Wow, it happens so fast. Time for cutting. The printed fabric goes directly to the automatic cutting machine. Which cutting machine? Any top-tier cutter you choose. The cutter cuts the fabric with no manual operation. Now, we just check we have everything we need for each order. And collect the pieces. Hi, Anai. We promised a smart and easy process, right? Yes, the ID also includes sewing instructions. Once the garment is sewn, it's time for a quick quality check to ensure this dress matches my order. Or I can just do this. That's it. The order is ready, all within minutes. Scan the barcode for shipping information, pack the order, and send it to the customer. From design to delivery, a fully digitized, smart, and sustainable process, all in one place. That's it. We're set. I can take this, right? You can make a new one in like a few minutes. Bye!